Hey everyone, welcome to this Framer tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add CMS content to your card directly from the home page. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. First off, I designed this entire layout, but in this video, we're focusing specifically on how to add CMS content to the home page. To keep this video short, I'll only be covering how to integrate CMS content into the card. I'll also include a free remix link in the description so you can customize the design and take it even further. Now let's create the card. Press F on your keyboard to create a frame and name it card and make it a component. Name it desktop and make it stack. Inside this desktop, this stack, we have to create another frame, actually two. Name it image container, and inside this image container we have the actual image. So again, press F and name it image. Make the width 330 and height 450, and we can make it relative to 100%. Now let's add an image. It's for placeholder. Click this image container, remove this fill, set the overflow hidden, and the border radius will be 20 pixel. And click on this desktop, right click on it and make it fit content. Change the fill color to card color. Now let's add some padding. The top and bottom I will give 25 pixel and the right and left will be 20 pixel. Add some border radius. I'm adding 20 pixel. Done. Now we have to create another frame for the text. It's for block title. So press F again and draw a frame. Name it text container. Click this layout to make it stack. Drag this and drop it into the desktop. Click this desktop and change the direction to vertical. Inside this text container, we can add some text, and it's also for placeholder. Name it whatever you like. Name it bento box grid and change the style to body. You can find all the style in the asset here. Click this frame and remove this fill. Make it fill and the height will be auto. Now click this text and make it fill. We can add some spacing on the top, 20 pixel I guess. Yes, it's look perfect now. Click this image, fill, create variable image and name it blog image. Click this text content, create variable plain text, name it blog title. Now head over to the home page and drag it, drop it to the desktop. Change the width to feet and drop it into the block section like this. Now let's add content to our CMS collection. To do that, you can click on this CMS, add block, and by default framework will give you 5 items. We can delete it and make one from scratch. Click on it. Let's add our content. I already created the content, so let me just copy and paste it here to show you how to add content on the CMS. Click on this title and paste our title. Let's remove everything here and paste our content. Make it heading 3 and add some bullet points. We don't need any categories here, so we can just remove it, and this is where we will place our banner image for each block. So you can select any image from Unsplash or Lumi, or you can simply upload from your device. Okay, select this image for now. Now click on this 3 dot to open in Canvas. We can delete this collection list and click on this title. Let's add some style here. Increase the width to, I guess, 900 pixel and delete this max width. Same here, and here also. Let's make the alignment left. You can spend more time to make it more perfect. Let's now leave it like this and add more blocks on our CMS. We can also remove this category, we don't need it. Change the slug to bento box layouts. Now duplicate it and upload our second block. Okay, we added all the contents. Now let's go back to the home page and connect our card to the CMS. Click on this layer, desktop, and let's see where is our card. There we go. Now click on this insert, collection, article. This is the CMS collection and we need this article. As you can see, our CMS name is article. Drag it and drop it here. Now we don't need this style and text, so we can simply delete it and drop our pre-designed card to this article And as you can see, we have total of 9 articles and with the 9 cards. So let's style it now. Click on this article, change the layout to grid, and column will be 3. Make the height fill. I think it now looks better, but we can polish it more. So select both and add a stack. Name it all card or whatever you want. Let's add some padding to the right and left. And let's add some gap also. Now click on it, click this block image, set variable image, and click again the block title, set variable, and set our title. You can see on the edit field we set the title, and this is our title. If you want, you can rename it as block title for better understanding. Now click on it, block title, set variable, block title. One more thing we need to do is add the block slug to the card. Let me show you what I mean. Scroll down and click on it. It's not working as expected. What we want to do is display the actual block content for this card. So to fix this, double click on it, add link, click on this plus, create variable. Now go back to home, click on this link, click here, and click this block slug. Now let's preview it. As you can see, it redirects to our actual blog. You can spend more time and making it responsive, like set the column 2 for here. For the mobile, click on it, the block section, and change the direction to vertical. Click this article, make it stack, and click this card and make it fill. We can add some spacing on the right and left, like 10. Decrease the left and right padding 10 for each to add some spacing. Click on the preview and see our final result. Yes, everything looks perfect. So that's how you can easily connect your CMS to the card. You can definitely spend more time refining it, like improving the responsive design, which I didn't cover here, since my goal was to keep it simple and straightforward. Again, I've included a remix link in the description, so feel free to check it out and practice on your own. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, inshallah.